Good morning, children. Welcome in English text class. We will revise the poem Saving the World with Waffles that is composed by Ted Chu. This poem is based on imagination. It would be very nice if serious problems could be solved with a few waffles or pancakes. I am reading the poem, then I will tell you the summary of it. I learned Morse code from Dad this week, so last night I went out and tried it. I signaled my flashlight up into the stars, and somebody out there spied it. To my surprise, from out in the dark came a weak but definite blinking. When I flashed my light, the other flashed back. Hey, I know what you're thinking. I'm totally sure it wasn't some star just twinkling like in that dumb song. I really did talk to some creature out there. Believe me, I know I'm not wrong. A kid from some planet called Zippo Kaput in a galaxy far, far away warned me his people were coming to Earth to attack, he was sorry to say. He said they were greenish and 12 feet tall, with monstrous mouth for munching. They had heard we earthlings with a little salt were especially yummy for crunching. When will they be here? I quickly flashed back. I need to go send out a warning. Too late, he told me. You haven't got time. They will be landing at 8 in the morning. Now, I didn't panic. You will be pleased to know, or try to hide or cry. I got an idea. Knew it might be my last, but I had to give it a try. I signaled to Bosmo, he had told me his name, that tomorrow, on Saturday, my mom cooks the best darn waffles a creature can put away. I quickly invited the Star Fleet to land for a super galactic brunch. If I fill them up on mom's waffles, I figure they might not be hungry for lunch. They will be here any minute, and I sure hope I'm right. Either I have saved the world with waffles, or I will be the very first bite. Now, summary of the poem. The poet says that he learnt Morse code from his father. Morse code means it is a system of dots and dashes that represent letters of the alphabet that was developed by Samuel Morse. The poet tried Morse code in the night by using flashlight in the stars during night. He found that somebody was watching him secretly. The poet found that somebody also flashed back in reply. Actually, the poet was talking to a kid. His name was Bosmo. He was from other planet that was Zippo Kaput. He warned the poet saying that some people were coming to earth to attack and eat the people of earth because they heard that earthlings were very tasty. People were green in complexion and they were 12 feet tall. They had a very huge mouth. The poet asked Bosmo when they would reach the earth. Bosmo replied that they would reach at 8 o'clock in the morning. The poet told Bosmo that he was not worried because his mother would cook very tasty waffles or pancakes, and he would offer waffles to the people who were coming from different planet. So they would not be hungry after brunch and they would not eat up the earthlings. That's how he would save the earthlings with waffles. In this poem, the rhyming words are, please children, you mark in your book, blinking, thinking, song, wrong, away, say, munching, crunching, warning, morning, cry, try. Saturday away. Brunch, lunch, and right bite.